All right, so to remove it, we're going to start with, to remove the face, we're going to start with the top cover. It's press fit at the back. The cover ends right before the heat sink, so we're going to put our fingers right before the heat sink and just press up. And then at the front, you've got a locking tab here and here. So we're just going to press with a small flat blade screwdriver, and that allows you to remove the cover. On my radio, you're going to have the Bluetooth amplifier board over here, and a DC to DC converter over here. This is an unmodified radio, so it's going to look slightly different. Next thing we need to do, this linkage on the side is responsible for opening and retaining your door for your cassette tape. It also serves as the bezel for your LCD. Anyway, flat blade screwdriver, we're just prying it out of position. So I just pried it off of its mount. I'll do that again. Flat blade, pry it off. Then we've got tabs on the side, on the bottom, and on the other side. It is very common for the tab on this side to be broken or missing, and that's the case here. So I'm going to start by releasing the tab on this side and rocking the radio forward slightly. And then there are two tabs on the bottom. Ooh, I feel a sneeze coming. Oh, apologies. Allergy season. You've got a tab here. You've got a tab here. So I'm just releasing those tabs, rocking this forward. So now your face is released from your radio. The very last thing you'll need to do is to remove and swap your volume pod. So if you ever have volume issues with this guy, everything is modular. Everything can be removed. But we're going to remove this guy. The way you do it, there's a tab right here with a metal spring on it, and all you're doing is pushing it towards you. That comes right out. To put it back, you're going in with the bottom first and just snapping it in place. That's all there is to it. Now, to get your face back on the radio, reversive removal. You're just going to kind of slide things in carefully, and you'll hear the reassuring clicks. Excuse me. You're going to put your linkage in place. Test your tape door by pressing down on the linkage. Needs to open. When you close the door, it needs to latch shut. And then you can replace the cover on your radio. Where it says 12 volt, that faces the rear. Slide it in, press down. That's it. I like to do a visual check just to confirm all of the tabs are in the correct spot, and they are.